been close to breaking. Some days you just can't fake it.
Si Lily Grace kasi pinorkout talaga namin para plan yung pagbubuntis ni Mrs. Pinorkout namin siya kasi ang tagal din namin hindi magka-baby. After ikasal, 2 years ang inaabot pa.
We toast to growth and the waiting on and on we go. There's no other way.
Nagkaroon pa ako ng mga friends na nagpo-post sa Facebook na meron na silang baby. Tapos sabi ko sana kami din. And then after a week, yun, nag-test kami and then nag-positive. At yun na si Lily Grace.
It's hard to find your balance when you're upside down. If I know you.
Noon namang lumabas na siya nung nakasama na namin si Lily Grace. Kami lang talagang mag-asawa. Natuwa kami kasi hindi siya naging mahirap.
Oo, madali siyang alagaan sa totoo lang, mabait, hindi masyadong umiiyak.
Nung nasa UK kami, habang lumalaki naman siya, parang pakiramdam ko tinutulungan niya din ako. Kasi tuwing na-frustrate na ako, tuwing napapagod na ako, lalo siyang bumabait, lalo siyang hindi siya nag-iiyak, hindi siya nagpapasaway kasi siguro nararamdaman niya na pagod na siguro si Mami.
We turned a conversation about the earth's rotation. How we're so small.
Sobrang blessed ko na siya yung
It
naging
helps
baby ko.
with patience.
Kasi napakabait niya.
There's no other way. Brace ourselves to get through another day.
Sana mas maging
Sunlight through a
mabait ka pa at maging
champagne
sweet ka pa
cloud.
kay Mami at kay Daddy.
It's hard to
At
find
saka,
your
ang wish pa ni Mami
balance when
sa'yo
you're
ay
upside
maging happy
down.
ka, maging contented ka sa kung anong meron tayo. At paglaki mo, lagi mo lang kilalanin na nandito si Mami at si Daddy. Ha?
It's gonna be alright.
Ako naman, wish ko kay baby, healthy siya palagi, happy, tsaka lagi lang niyang love lagi si Mami at si Daddy.
Happy birthday, Lily Grace! I love you!
Gets way too cold, way too cold. I never
Happy birthday, Lily Grace! Sorry po, si Tito.
demons right back in the eye.
Happy birthday, Lily Grace. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos, malusog, at tumanda ka.
'Cause I was made to hold my stance, never gonna hold me back. Always said I'm solid like a stone. I just wanna be faster than the lightning. I just wanna be brighter than
Happy birthday, Ate Lily Grace! Hope ni Tita na lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal, at mahalin mo lang ang iyong Mommy at Daddy dahil mahal na mahal ka nila. I love you!
I can be anyone. I can be anyone. I can be anyone.
Happy birthday, may apo, Lily Grace. Sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata, takot sa Diyos, at mapagmahal sa magulang. Mahal na mahal ka ni Mama.
Said I'm solid like a stone.
Ang promise namin sa'yo ay we'll continue to support you whatever you want. Hindi ka namin ipe-pressure sa kung anong dapat maging ano ka paglaki mo. You have the freedom to choose whatever you want. My love, we will love you for the rest of our lives.
Kahit ikaw ay malaki na, ikaw lang ang baby ni Daddy. I love you.
Love you so much. We love you so much.
I can be anyone. I can be anyone.
Happy birthday, Lily Grace!
Love you. Happy birthday.